Hi DIY doers, I'm Belle and welcome to my workshop. In today's video I'm going to show you how to update your firmware for the Loklik Crafter cutting machine. So quickly first, what is firmware and why should you update it? So firmware is lines of code that tell your machine how to function. Updating the firmware normally gives updated features to your machine. So for instance, with the Loklik Crafter machine, you need to update the firmware to allow for the new feature for print then cut. Okay, so let's go into my craft room and update our firmware. Okay, so here we are. I'm at my Loklik Crafter. You're going to need your USB plug plugged into the Loklik, and then this end plugs into your laptop or your computer. And then of course you need a computer. Okay, so to start off, we're going to go to Device, and then we're going to go to Firmware Update. We're going to click on Loklik Crafter. Now it says Connect Device, so I'm just going to turn the device on. So now our device is on and it's connected to our PC. I'm just going to click on the little USB button, and now it's picked up the Loklik Crafter. Now the current version I'm running is version 07. I don't think I've actually updated this machine yet. And the latest version we can get is version 11. So we're going to make sure that that is selected, and we're going to download. Now it is downloaded. We're going to click Next. And now it says click update while pressing the power button. Release the power button after the system prompts the update is finished. So I'm going to press the power button and then press update. All right, update said it was successful. So let's just go into Device, Firmware Update, select our Loklik Crafter, connect it, and we can see that the current version is version 11. So it was successful and updated to version 11. I will link to a troubleshoot site by Loklik if you do have troubles updating your firmware, down in the description below. Well, I hope you found this video useful and you had fun DIYing with me today. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a craftastic day.